Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to the VVS Academy. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to mix Pooh Shiesty vocals. That's right, man, Big Burr. About to show you guys how to get to it. I got a really cool track for you guys. I'm gonna jump right into it, man. I won't even over talk it. I'm in our free template. If you guys don't have a template for recording in Logic and in Pro Tools, check out my free templates down below. They're gonna really change the way that you sound, completely change the way that you record, and really inspire you to make some great songs right away. All right, let's jump into this track, man. I'm gonna play it back and then we'll start mixing.
Talking wiping those knots, now I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with a beat. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap in the brick.
Okay, cool. So as you can hear, the vocal already sounds good, man. That's because it was really recorded well. I'm going to show you guys exactly how easy it is to get a great mix when you have a great recording. And look, man, if you're struggling getting great recordings or great mixes in general, check this out. Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and this is my mix coaching program. Are you tired of trying to figure it out for yourself? You tired of watching video after video, hoping that maybe this is going to be the one to unlock all the secrets for you? You tired of paying for studio time? Tired of depending on other engineers? Tired of buying gear? Maybe you tried the audio school thing and you realize, man, this is not worth $40,000. Whatever the situation is, let me help. Look, man, at the end of the day, I know you want your songs to sound great, and I get that. But really, you want it to be easy, and I really get that. This program is going to show you the easiest way to make your song sound amazing every single time. So this is what you can do. Right below, you can join me and a small group of like-minded artists and engineers. And I'm going to show you guys how to make your song sound amazing every single time. You're going to learn directly from me. If that sounds good? Let's get to it, man. Diamonds only. Peace. First thing I'm going to do is go down here. Let's clean off the lead bus. And it was just some plugins up here that look like I had been messing with before, but we're going to start fresh. So let's go with the VMR. One of my favorites, of course, and I'm gonna go with the channel emulation. I like to use the, if you go to harmonics tab, I like to use the Brit 4K, which is just the SSL channel emulation. It's my favorite emulation to use. I just pull back the trim just a little bit, maybe 2 dB, because everything's gonna be running to this bus and we don't want it to clip too much. So let's do that and start with a de-esser.
I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with a beat. Off them Zans, all disrespect.
And really, it's that easy to set the de-esser. It's important that you get the de-essing set, because that way you can kind of compress the vocal and get a lot of volume out of it without it getting harsh and spitty because of all the S's in there. So that's controlled pretty well. Let's just jump into some compression. I like the custom opto. It's just a very transparent but powerful compressor. We're gonna aim to get probably 7 dB of gain reduction, maybe more, maybe a little less. We're gonna see how it sounds.
Now I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with a beat. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with a beat. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets.
As you can see, I'm turning the compressor off and bringing it back in. You want to make sure that you do that so you're not getting tricked by the volume that you're adding. Make sure the same volume that comes into your compressor is the same volume going out, so that you can actually hear the compression and not just the volume difference. All right, so I think that's at a good place compression wise. Let's mess with the tone knob and see if we can change the sound a little bit.
Now I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with a beat. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking leave them underneath. Put a word on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas.
So I'm going back and forth between the smooth and the aggressive. The aggressive gives a little bit more upper mid-range kind of bite and attack, and the smooth just seems to keep the whole vocal a little more consistent. I think I'm going to go with smooth because I'm going to add some saturation later that'll give me that same bite. Let's keep going. Let's go with an EQ. I like the SSL EQ. It's easy to use. It sounds good. I like the curves on it. So let's see what we can dig out of this vocal.
I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB.
So I like the way that sounds EQ wise, but we need to get some more volume out. Now, unfortunately, you can't add any volume with this SSL EQ, but I do want to add another stage of compression anyway. So I'm going to grab the vintage compressor. So it's going to add some saturation. It's going to give me some upper mid range that I didn't get from the tone knob, and it's going to be able to add some volume on the output of this compressor. So we're going to aim for 1 to 3 dB of gain reduction and see what we can get sound wise here.
I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas.
And really, the only word that I can really add is presence. It's like the vocal came from behind the beat and just stepped forward. And it's not so much a volume thing. It's more in the way that we've compressed and shaped the tone of the vocal. And that's really what we want to do. The vocal, we did add volume, but it wasn't much. If you listen to them back to back, it doesn't get a lot louder. It just gets a lot more present, a lot more forward. The vocal shines a lot more. And that's what you want to aim for. So let's do another back and forth.
I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve.
Let's get another layer of saturation. Saturation is really super key. It's really a great way to get things to sound louder without actually making them louder. And really, that's what we want from our song. We want our song to sound as loud as possible without clipping at all.
I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap, I'm talking, leave them underneath. Put Woodward on your shit. Bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect. I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect. I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm finna.
So now at this point, the vocal's just a little too loud. Let's see if we can duck it down a little bit. We'll just use another compressor. I like the RVox to kind of round out everything in the vocal. And sometimes I'll follow it up with an infinity EQ because it does sometimes bring out a little more EQ problems that weren't as present before this layer of compression. So let's see what we can get.
I'm talking leave them underneath. Putting Woodward on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck. I'm talking leave them underneath. Putting Woodward on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't.
Yeah, if you were paying attention a little earlier when we used the SSL EQ, we did dig out some in this range around 400, and it still seems to be a little heavy there. I just think the compression probably brought it out a little more. So what we're going to do is, one, we're going to reduce it. I'm going to say 2 dB to start, and then we're also going to boost the output of this EQ to compensate for the 2 dB of volume that we're taking away. And let's see how that makes our vocals sound.
I'm talking leave them underneath. Putting Woodward on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap and the bread, I'm trying to put this glick in check.
Alright, cool, that sounds good. Let's load in Instant Mix and see what that'll do to the whole track. Alright, we got Instant Mix loaded in. Let's play it back and see if we got a finished song.
I'm talking leave them underneath. Putting Woodward on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap and the bread, I'm trying to put this glick in check. Keep on spanking till it click, don't give a fuck about police, bitch. You niggas green ain't talking slime, I'm talking pussy in these streets. These niggas don't fuck with me because I leave it where it be. Never been a social nigga, but they steady watching me.
And really, man, it is that easy to get a professional sounding mix. Look, man, that's all I can really give you, man. These are the tips I'm giving you guys week in and week out. And if you want to learn a little more directly from me, check out my group coaching down below. It's open for a few more weeks. I'm going to be starting on Wednesday, September the 7th. So go ahead and check it out down below, man. If you need anything, drop me a line below. Remember, I'm Vivi and I'm here for you. Stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
I'm talking leave them underneath. Putting Woodward on your shit, bitch, I sliced it off your sleeve. Niggas playing link protect, I slide out with AB. Off them Zans, all disrespect, I'm hitting niggas, don't cop plea. These niggas playing with my neck, I'm finna leave them in the streets. Fuck the trap and the bread, I'm trying to put this glick in check.